Hi,
Hello.
what's your name?
Hola.
Ola. Yeah. So, how do you feel in Poland?
I love this country.
Okay. Which country would you like to go and stay permanently?
Only Poland.
Only Poland?
Yeah.
How much money do you make in a month? Yes, come on.
Not sure how to answer this question.
Okay. Okay, how much do you save?
Oh, not a lot.
Are you happy whatever you are making?
Yes, I do. I am. Sorry. So my question is, how do you feel in Poland?
I feel really good here because I'm from India and I feel here, for me, there are some better opportunities. I'm a mechanical engineer actually, so I found some new jobs here, and so yesterday was my interview and I got selected also.
Oh,
So yeah, so I feel really good here.
yeah. I wish you a great time here. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.